to the region where our Pacific leaders have been meeting to talanoa about some of the big issues. Alistair, what's the latest?
Yeah, that's right. So the 50th Pacific Islands Forum was on this week in Funafuti Tuvalu. Obviously, the big topic was, of course, climate change. Our Pacific leaders naturally having a strong stance on what needs to be done, but more so what the bigger players, New Zealand and Australia, needed to bring to the table. We saw the welcome that the forum leaders got with Tuvaluan kids sitting in the water, waving the flags, as we can see there now, which is quite a strong message to leaders about how our communities are being affected by climate change every day.
It's the reality, eh?
Absolutely. And of course, New Zealand's Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern announced a $150 million boost in support for climate action across the Pacific. But for our Pacific leaders, there was some disagreement. Some things were overlooked in the forum by the bigger states, and we'll be talking about that later on in our talanoa.
Right. Speaking of leaders, now the Samoan Prime Minister Tuilaipa Sailele Malielegaoi is very proud of High Chief Sayuli, aka Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, for his role in the latest blockbuster film Fast and Furious Hobbs and Shaw. I love it.
Yes.
Now Sayuli plays lead character Luke Hobbs. There he is in the middle of the boys. You can see me in the background cleaning. And the Samoan Prime Minister was really impressed with the Siva town that they featured in the film, led by Sayuli, who also encountered harsh criticism on social media for not speaking fluent Samoan. The Prime Minister defended Sayuli, who said that he's become a spokesman for Samoa through the world screen.
He really is a
also
walking advertisement,
revealed that the Cabinet approved the project to create a register for Samoans residing worldwide to acknowledge them for their accomplishments and also contribution and welfare of Samoa. And lastly, on a more serious note, the police in Samoa have confirmed that 3 males have been charged with conspiracy to assassinate Honourable Prime Minister Tuilaipa. Now, sadly, the acting police commissioner told media that the Attorney General is reviewing the file before charges will be filed.
That's
and
really,
finally,
really
here in New Zealand?
Yeah, exactly. So the local body election candidates are in. The polling day doesn't start until the 12th of October, but I guess one of the most exciting candidates that has come out of this is, of course, All Blacks legend Kevin Mealamu, which is quite... He's going for the Papakura local board, so that's quite exciting, isn't it? And a bit different.
Very cool.
Yes.